Alright, today I'm going to do a quick review on this water detector with the Wi-Fi hub. So let's crack this open. So this is supposed to detect any type of water leaks or anything of that nature. It's supposed to signal you to your phone. We'll check all of that out. So just some quick information there. Quick start guide. It's packaged nicely. So you do have 4 pieces. This is going to be the hub. It looks like you plug this guy in. And these are going to be your sensors. So you get 3 of these guys. Okay. And you know me, I like to check the box. See? Always check to make sure there's something else in there. So I'm not sure what this is for. Okay, it's the battery cover tool. I don't know if you can see that. So, look like if you want to pop the battery cover off, which I'm guessing these is to be right here. Gotta get the battery out. Okay. Alright, so let me go through the quick start guide and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and opened the back using this battery tool. I had to do it this way because I can't do it with one hand. But anyways, what you would do, you will just insert this in here and then you just turn. So on these other ones, you just go in the direction that it's telling you to open or close. And that one will go in here and you just turn to open that way. So, and this is the size battery. So 2450. Okay, so it's one of those flat batteries. And then you just kind of put that back in and close that up. Okay, so I'll do that separate. And now on the hub itself, once you plug it in, the back does not rotate. So once you plug it in, you'll see the Wi-Fi light, your plus and minus. Now, in order for this to work, you're definitely going to have to download the app. So I'm going to download the app and fire it up, and we'll go from there. So I'm back, and I'm going to see if I can scan this guy. No. Okay. So we'll go to the website. And that's going to be the AI dot. AI dot. Okay. Gonna install. Okay, wait for that to install. So now just have to create your information, create the account. So of course I don't have an account, so click that. I'm in the US, and you go ahead and fill all that out. And I'll go ahead and fill all that out and be right back. Okay, once you get everything set up, it'll take you to this page. It will send you a verification code to your email. So make sure you look for that. I had to look in my spam to get that. So just a heads up. Once you get here, depending on where you want to call, wherever your device is, you just hit add device. And this is, I guess, is part of a security. So you'll go to that. And it's the S1 Plus, the first one here. Go there. So now, just have to plug this guy in. Let's see. And it is powered on, so let's go to the next step. So you hit that Wi-Fi. It's going to be flashing on your device. So you hit that. If it's flashing, hit OK. You want Bluetooth permission? Yes, you do. So I just go there. We'll allow that. And there it is. Click there and then you go to the next step. It's going to connect. Okay, so let's wet this up and see what happens. There we go. And that's what it looks like. Perfect.
Hi everybody, today's review is of this water leak test kit or sensor. I'm going to show you just here really quick with one of the sensors. It was super easy to set up with the app on the phone, and now I'm going to do a test. So as you can see, the hub unit, wherever you have it plugged in, is going to set off an alarm, but I also got an alert on my phone, and I can actually set it up in the app so I know which sensor is in what room. So when I get that alert, it's going to tell me, oh, hey, it's in the laundry room, or hey, it's under the sink in the kitchen, that sort of thing. So very cool. It also says that you can buy more of the sensors and set them up with the same hub, so you can have more than just the 3 that comes with this kit. Overall, so far I'm super happy. I also tested the first one with a wet paper towel, and that set it off too. So it senses water with no problem. So yeah, enjoy.